Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Kodian Barrett with your business updates for today. The government says it is moving closer to its goal of establishing an agro-park in every parish across Jamaica. Speaking during his sectoral debate presentation on Wednesday, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green revealed that several new sites are now in advanced preparation stages for agro-parks. These include locations in St. Mary, Portland, and St. Anne, where ground is expected to be broken this year. Meanwhile, proposed locations in Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, and Trelawney are currently in the early feasibility stage. The minister also indicated that the government will be moving to repossess lands within agro-parks from individuals who are not actively utilizing them.
That doesn't make sense. You're in our agro-parks, you have the land, and you're not using it. We are taking back the lands from people who are not using the lands in the agri-parks. Last year we took back 120 acres, and we have identified another 280 acres that we're planning to take back this year if people don't put them into production. This will increase our utilization closer to 80% of our agri-parks.
Minister Green also announced the rollout of several new digital tools aimed at improving agricultural planning and decision-making. Among them is the National Agriculture Monitoring and Management System, designed to centralize crop production data and allow farmers to see what is being planted, where crops are located, and how production is progressing.
This is a predictive AI-driven tool that will allow us to do better forecasting of supply. What it means, members, is that the farmer, prior to planting, will be able to see how much tomato is being planted in his community, in his parish, in his country, so that he makes better decisions.
Another initiative is a national agribusiness logistics map that will provide real-time market and pricing data for consumers and distributors. The ministry is also introducing a digital platform for members of parliament to provide constituency-level farm data and visibility into agricultural activity.
This platform will provide you MPs with real-time visibility into the agricultural activity at your constituency, allowing you to see what is being produced, where it is happening, who is receiving benefit, allowing you to contact your parish manager, allowing you to submit your beneficiary listings. It will also include a module for farm roads.
A draft 10-year National Agricultural Development Plan has also been unveiled, with a focus on building more resilient and sustainable production systems, strengthening agribusinesses and value chains, improving agricultural trade, and boosting food security and nutrition. The plan also addresses several cross-cutting areas, including research, information technology, the agricultural workforce, youth, gender, and perennial housing.
Today I am making the draft public for feedback. I will be sending a copy to the emails of all our members of parliament so that you can share with us your contribution to this National Development Plan.
The draft plan is now available for public viewing on the Ministry of Agriculture's website at moa.gov.jm, with stakeholders invited to submit feedback and comments electronically. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Kodian Barrett.